Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's warmer here in Chicago, and the forecast is for at least normal, maybe even above normal temps over the next week or so. So we'll start seeing maybe some of this cold weather change, and we'll see how that unfolds as far as the spring goes. I think yesterday was like the first day in which we actually saw one market trading the weather. That was the wheat. There was some talk about too much, maybe water in the south, U.S. Midwest, but maybe a little bit of drying that's starting to pop up into Kansas, and maybe some net drying that could happen in Russia this year. So we're kind of seeing a little bit of a bounce in the wheat market because of that. Overnight, grain prices are a little bit lower. Seemed like they broke down when the U.S. dollar was making new highs overnight. Most commodities lower, and U.S. stocks are also lower because of the higher dollar. Today's the USDA crop report day. They'll be coming out with new U.S. and world supply and demand. Most people don't look for big changes in the numbers. We'll be watching the soybeans to see if they raise exports and lower the carryout, and how does the market react to that. As far as South America is concerned, we saw one private estimate lower the Argentina soybean crop 1 million tons due to too much rains. We also saw CONAB this morning lower the Brazil soybean crop 1 million tons from their last estimate due to some uncertainty of some of the yields that are coming in. Still watching Brazil to see how the talks go today with the independent truckers, and see if the independent truckers resume their strike. There's about 8 million tons of beans that needs to be loaded at the ports in Brazil, and it's about anywhere from a 25 to 35 day waiting period for that. That's not excessive, but certainly the market's going to be watching pretty close on this strike is concerned. Again, as far as any other news that's out there, we did see a lower estimate yesterday of the European 2015 wheat crop than last year. They also dropped their rapeseed crop a little bit from last year, and we'll be, again, after this report, watching the March 31st report when the USDA comes out with their first estimate of U.S. planted acres and March 1 stocks. So a little bit lower overnight due to the higher dollar. We've got a USDA report at 11 o'clock. Once that report's out, we'll come back and update you not only on the numbers, but also how the markets react. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.